Yeah, another nice passage way on our way to the park. Another park. Yeah, and I enjoy the coolness of the atmosphere. I mean the climate, the temperature, because it's over. Sorry, let me roll up the leash. Yeah, first of all, because of the trees, it's got a good cooling effect. It's arched by trees like that. And then it's amazingly empty. You may wonder why it's always so empty, but that's the only time I'm able to film, because when it's full, I need my hands to navigate him. So today is a bridge day between weekend and Father's Day. Yesterday was Ascension Day, we call it, I think. Father's Day. I was tempted to film the recycling containers of glass over flooding with a huge island of alcohol bottles right next to it from Father's Day yesterday. But I thought I'll spare those details. Yeah. And so it's a beautiful climate. It's not too full at all. But on our way back, we have challenges, of course. First of all, because he's tired on the way back. And because on the way back it's later, and then there will be people, dogs, bicycles, joggers, and all the rest of it. Garbage pickup truck. Lots of noise, so I'll switch off until next clip joined onto this one. A very nice passage once again, with many challenges. So I'm using a moment where there's no challenge. The challenge being, it's a small passage, with joggers, bicycles, and just now I just pulled on the side, which is why it's quite nice that there's escape possibilities to the sides here. Cargo bikes, but the trigger for him also running dog alongside a bicycle. That's double trigger, you know. They're fast, could be chased or escaping if something is running. So that's really a trigger for him. But I pull him aside. I can use this wonderful passage here. On our look like this. On our way back, it's going to be more populated and full, so that's going to be another challenge, as always. Just now we reached the little valley of the park, which is so beautiful. And then on the later hours, well, in the morning, and very early in the morning today, come back, baby. There's going to be dealers, so half the park you can't use because it's full with African dealers. Like one of these bays here, where they disappear into the bushes to have their meetings, to hand over stuff. And then you have them patrolling here in the passage everywhere. And my dog senses the energy. Yeah. Now we reached the valley park. I cannot let him run yet because there's a dog off leash, which he's not running half well with. He's gonna come here probably, so you're gonna see him act out. It's very good. The distance is okay, he didn't register as threatening. So I can let him run. I just have to watch out for the... Look, here we go. Und du bleibst hier. Okay, and the going to dare it, letting him run a little and catch him if his first running explosion is over. Put it there. Warte noch. Noch warten, Heiko. Noch warten. To check again. Okay, okay. Sehr gut. Have to check also for these. Ja! Okay, Heiko. Und nein, weiter. To check for not only dogs but also anything you could chase, like mice. Ja! Und weiter. Oh. Also the supervision guys that. Ja. Warte. Bicycles are far enough. Good. Weiter. Okay. Luckily. But if he's only walking like this, I can also take it. Okay. It's a nice refreshing valley. The grass is still wet, so he won't sit down, but it gives it a great fresh air, and the birds are singing. Yeah, it's a peacock calling there. Children's farm. So we're now sitting on a tree stump. Yeah, taking a little break with a beautiful bird song, and hopefully not too many interruptions at the moment. Overflies. It's boring. Okay, then we walk on. Oh, okay. Where says to sniff, where is that? To memorize. That's our next stop. Okay, wir wandern. Komm. Ja. Na komm. More exploration. Not boring sitting, huh? I'm so glad it's so empty still at the moment. Yes, it's a real walk with lots of sniffing and waiting until he finished sniffing, because a walk is not only walking. Sometimes the most important highlight for him could be examining a leaf heap. Komm, wir wandern. Ja. Could be, you know? Ja. Jetzt gehen wir gucken. Oh.